How to sell print on demand on eBay. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell print on demand on eBay. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on eBay, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is eBay, it is a prominent American multinational e-commerce platform which is initially conceived as a marketplace to connect buyers and sellers. eBay has evolved into a global online auction and shopping website where users can buy and sell a vast array of goods ranging from collectibles to electronics. And the user experience on eBay is designed to be straightforward, allowing sellers to create listings that can be included in detailed descriptions, images, and pricing options. And the site features various categories such as electronics, fashion, home goods, and collectibles, making it easy for users to navigate and find items of interest. And now to start selling on eBay, the first thing that we need to do is to simply click the sell button in here on the top right corner. And after that, you will be directed on this page, and below here it will show you the list on how you can start listing an item and start selling on eBay. But to proceed, you can click this list an item button right here. Then you will be directed on this page, and the first thing that you need to do is simply share item details, or just simply search an item on this search bar. I'm going to search t-shirt, and upon searching it, you'll be able to see the result, so you can simply find a match in here, or using continue without a match button to proceed. Then you simply select here or confirm the details, and click continue to listing button to proceed. And the next thing that you need to do from here to complete your listing is to simply fill out all of this required information, including some of the details, description, your preferences, and many more. However, if you want to continue with match, you can simply go back on this page again, then just simply click on this result, and upon clicking on it, it will show you here that you can confirm the details, and I'm going to choose with new tags and click the continue to listing button. And after that, you'll be able to see here all of the details about this kind of product. And at this point, there's a lot of info that are already filled, unlike before of the result that has no match. So at this point, we can simply save this in our draft or click save for later button right here. And after that, you will be able to be directed on this page. And as you can see, we're currently under our drafts in here, in which the t-shirt has now been added as our draft. And after that, since we're trying to sell a print-on-demand products, the next thing that we need to do is simply choose a website that is applicable to eBay to connect on print-on-demand. So you can simply search on Google POD for eBay, and it will show you some other result in here that you can choose from. But in those options, we're going to focus on Printify platform or printify.com right here. So can you click on it, and after that you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you the overview of Printify, in which it is a leading print-on-demand and dropshipping platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and sell customized merchandise without the need to manage inventory or handle shipping logistics. So basically from here, all we need to do is to simply create your store or account, and after that, from here, you simply connect under your store. Just click this eBay button right here. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that we need to do is to simply enter our store name, or you could also use your existing Printify store. And after connecting it, the next thing that you need to do for this step 2 is to simply enter I have an eBay account. And in order to connect your eBay store in here, you also need to select I register for a seller account, since we're trying to sell on eBay. Below here, it will show you how you can register your account as an eBay seller, but just simply check this button and click the continue to proceed. But if there's an error, just simply click this here hyperlink text in here in order to proceed registering your account as seller on eBay. By clicking this one, we'll automatically be directed on this page, and all we need to do is to simply sign in our eBay account in here. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page. And to set up your selling account, the first thing that we need to do is to simply connect your Payoneer account in here. So it will show in here the step-by-step process on how you can do it. The first thing is to connect your Payoneer account, to sync your profiles, add your financial info, and submit registration info in here. So basically, after registering as a seller on eBay, just simply go back on this page or on Printify, and just simply select a payment method in here and confirm email, business, policies, and connect. So after connecting your eBay account, for example, the next thing that you need to do is to simply go to your catalogs or some of the products in here that you want to sell on eBay. So from here, I'm going to choose this catalog section and can click t-shirts. Then you will be able to see here all of the result of the t-shirt that you can choose from to sell on eBay. We have here different kind of pricing options and other details. But I'm going to choose the first one, and upon clicking on it, it will show in here the product details of this t-shirt. And to start customizing this one, kindly click the start designing button right here. Then we will be able to be directed on this page where we can start designing or uploading our design from our computer files. So just click this upload to my device and simply choose the design that you want to upload on this t-shirt. But make sure that you also follow some of the print file requirements in here in order to qualify. But on the left side panel, you could also navigate some other editing tools to customize the t-shirt. We have here AI images, add text, my library, graphics, and many more. While on the right side, you could also edit some other variants or select different kind of variants you want to sell on eBay also. And also in creating your own design, you could also use some other platform, for example canva.com, to start creating your own design that will be uploaded as a template on this printify. And after that, you will be able to see the result of your uploaded design from your computer files. Then you can simply click the Save Product button to proceed to the next step. And upon clicking the Save Product button, you will be able to be directed on this page, where the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose a mockup library, and you can simply click or choose some of the printify mockups in here and click Save Selection button to proceed. After selecting some of these mockups, so this is basically what it looks like upon printing with a t-shirt and your design. So basically after saving it, you'll be able to be directed under this My Products, in which all you need to do from here is to simply customize the pricing details, the listing, description, and many more. So from here, you can simply select some of the sizes that you want to sell on eBay, or even customize the prices if you want to earn or have a revenue more or profit upon selling on eBay, and even choose publishing settings that you prefer. However, you first need to connect your eBay account as a seller on this platform, and since there's an error upon connecting my eBay account as a seller, I will not be able to connect my eBay account in here. But if you already connect your eBay account to your printify upon publishing the product listing that you choose, you can simply import the product or printify from your eBay account or store, wherein it will automatically be directed on your drops in here or in your listing on this page. So it will show you that you are now currently selling a t-shirt or print-on-demand products from printify. And this is basically some of the products that can possibly look like when you successfully importing or publishing the product from printify to your eBay store with all the description and details of this product. So basically, that is just how you can sell print-on-demand on eBay. Thank you.